Right.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be trying some more snacks. And as you can see, we have a lot of beautiful people here again. Q, original gangster,
Wow.
Mommy, and Scott, as usual, over there looking like a real OG.
Jesus.
So you just want to check the okay.
What happened?
Okay, so the first one we have is some pizza potato chips, and this is China. Chinese. I'm gonna let everybody who have lived their lives already try first, cause
Live their lives already.
just in case.
The nicest
it's
way
a
of saying
price.
I
something
mean,
is
we gotta survive, you know what I'm saying?
fossilized.
I'm gonna let y'all chew and then
Y'all
come
gonna
back
try
to me. Yeah, I'm gonna try.
It's pizza. It shouldn't be that bad.
I don't know, man.
Well, China don't make pizza. You shouldn't do
Right,
that.
they make rice.
Yeah. Wait, you
Oh,
can't just say
man.
they make rice here?
Well, they don't make it. They known for rice.
Okay, that's fine.
Whatever,
I
man.
just
Don't start.
understand. I'm not trying to start with you. You can take your chip.
You know
They
that bitch
smell
yet?
like you.
It smells good.
Okay.
It smells
No, they
edible.
don't smell like
Tastes
feet.
like.
No, it tastes good.
Taste good, but it smell like
I
feet.
like it. I like it.
Oh,
Cheese.
good.
Yeah.
Okay.
They got dried cheese on top of it.
Smell
Mhm,
footish.
perfect.
It's gonna-
Yeah.
Smell
Oh,
real
wait.
footish.
It
smell
tastes like aged
You
cheese.
smell footish.
It smell like foot.
Yeah. Smell
Any
that.
aftertastes?
Anything wrong with foot though?
No,
Not that foot would be.
Shut up, you nasty. I'm talking about like on the foot. I'm just saying this is good.
Pretty good. No.
no, it's good.
Yeah, I eat
it's
that.
good.
Come, what's my next bag for? Didn't I go get that?
And let me get one more of this thing. It's good. Get the next bag. We'll keep eating this one.
All right.
Scott,
I guess
share.
I'll try this one.
Oh, Jesus.
Okay. So the next one is spicy
Sichuan.
Sichuan crunchy and baked broad beef. Right?
Beans ain't never spicy, no Sichuani.
And this is from Taiwan.
From who?
Tattoo.
Taiwan.
Oh, you said tattoo.
I only eat broad beans in Oxtail, so
Exactly. Our sawfish.
You don't look right. You know, how you look so?
oh Lord,
The bag don't
it
even
smell
look
like a
right.
trash can.
Okay, this gonna be my,
Okay,
this
y'all
gonna be my
want to take
chaser.
Put it down here. I want your palate to be ready for it.
Alright.
Yeah. I want you to.
Come, Scott.
We got
Yeah,
this.
ready
don't
my
be
hand,
trying.
too.
Don't be trying to ease the palate. Take it on straight.
You took two?
When I tell you this will clear up your sinus.
Really?
Oh,
Oh, this
Lord.
smells disgusting.
Hold your nose.
it tastes just as bad too. It's
You know, I
really,
can't have napkin.
it's really dry.
It's-
Like
What's the
dry to
texture?
the point where you'll probably choke.
You can't.
This is disgusting.
It is awful.
Why would you buy this?
Why would I eat it? Y'all already said that. I ain't no
Who
sense
makes
trying.
this stuff?
Right.
Come on, Scott. You gotta do it.
No, no. Everybody else face to it. Why my face got to be
Your
cool?
palate may be different.
You right about that.
Just try it.
What you want to do?
Napkin.
Napkin.
You want to keep eating? Stay the video.
Woman, you just
Yeah, we all got stuff for evil. That's nasty though. Why would you purposely buy that?
That's the
That
point,
one is a
Brandon.
no.
Huh?
It's
That's the
their
point.
kind of snack, so.
Whose idea was this?
Candies.
Someone in Taiwan.
So everybody just gonna say
Is
it's
it Taiwan, right?
right.
Tattoo.
I think it is disagree. It's of someone that's making this video with us in it. That's nasty.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah, you know what?
I must love you, but girl.
Yes, Scott, it ain't bad.
No, it's bad.
What
It's
As I
is
said
bad.
earlier,
It's horrible.
that?
Okay.
All right, let's try
It ain't
this one.
bad. It's good for the bar, like you at the bar, son, you know. I'm trying home.
that'd be a good beer.
Nah,
That
video
look like
home.
good
It ain't
taste.
bad.
Wait,
Okay.
do we have an honorary guest?
We do.
We
Yeah.
sure do.
Come on.
Hey,
You gonna try this
we're
or
so
not?
glad you're here.
Yes.
Welcome to the horrible tasting.
Come.
Oh, should I go?
Wait,
Come on,
are you gonna walk by the video?
No, stop.
That's not bad.
That
That
girl
girl
walked right by the
walked
video.
right.
So these are our peanuts?
Yeah.
That's not bad
Yeah,
at all.
that's
Peanut
So-
flavored.
curly peanut flavored snack.
How you say peanut flavored peanuts? Ain't peanuts already peanuts?
It's already peanut. What's the way they
They got flavor peanut.
peanut
Then
flavored
probably
peanut?
Probably not peanut. I just want flavored something.
Ow.
But you have the big old peanut bunny.
Oh,
It's
okay.
Because of
from
the-
Germany.
Alright.
What part of
I'll
Germany?
let that be open.
Does it say part German? Does that matter?
Yeah, not really.
Actually, it's from that. Oh, it's that one place.
Well, one place.
That one place
Can I
in
call it
Germany.
name?
Let me
I
see.
don't know.
Oh, it's like a mini Cheetos. It looks like food.
You sure look like I
Smells
It
know.
looks
like-
like syrup, like baby.
Smells like peanut butter.
It smells good though. It smells like peanut
Yeah.
butter.
It
But
literally
looks
just tastes
small
like peanut
food.
butter.
Huh?
Does it?
Salty peanut butter.
Yeah.
No, I taste no salt.
We can do that, chai.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Light.
Salty towards the end of it. It's
Yeah.
good though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that'd be a good like bar snack.
Uh-huh.
That
We
one.
got 2 bar snacks.
No,
I
we
don't
got
think-
one bar snack.
Right.
Two.
2. Scott
Two.
said that was
Two.
good enough for the bar.
There's
For
no
him.
dog.
Not for him, not
Yeah.
us.
This is not a bar snack.
That's where he go
It's
buy.
an alley snack.
What's wrong with the alley?
Huh?
What's wrong with the alley?
Nothing. But this is an alley snack
Okay.
for the homeless folks.
We're trying to say, 'cause I like it.
No, I'm not saying that. I'm just
Well,
saying it's
I
not a bar
like it as a
snack.
bar snack.
No,
Oh,
that
so you
wouldn't be
don't
for the
keep me
bar.
out the bar in the alley so I can eat it there.
I guess that's how you want to take it.
We have a conversation.
One more.
I wouldn't eat that again. I'm just saying.
Which one? The bar this one?
That one.
I would. That's
I
good.
would. I like it.
The broad beans, no. That
Yeah,
tastes.
try that.
It dry your mouth
This
out.
one?
You be drinking a lot of water.
Okay.
Not okay, color low.
Wasabi seaweed.
Oh Lord.
Gosh.
That's what we're gonna
You know,
try
if you
today.
had Carlos seaweed, that would be good. I would try that.
Me too.
Why not?
too.
For you.
It is.
This one is U.S. California.
You know what I hate? Why they call it seaweed? You can't smoke it.
Hey, you
How
see
many
weed?
boxes?
My
How
God.
about this?
I cannot.
Oh my
Mommy,
God.
they just.
That's what what's name is
I
rolled
will
up in
just
the,
snatch you out of my hand.
what's that they rolled it up?
The sushi.
What they use? Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I couldn't
That's
get
what's
it.
in sushi, which is good. But
Go
by
ahead, she
itself,
gonna eat the whole thing. I'm sure.
Right. With the sushi, I never knew it was there.
Why not? Not a blouse or skirt. No, sir.
Wait,
Nope.
wait.
Backside.
Bring you already had a piece?
Yep.
You like it, Q?
It's the hotness though. It's
But
I don't like wasabi.
I don't either.
it's not that hot to me.
I don't mess with wasabi.
I know the wasabi. I know the hot.
Your sinuses
Wasabi just
from
nasty.
way back.
So you got two
But
of
I
them?
like seaweed. So I
Cause I didn't know how much was in there.
Sushi, but I also put it in ramen. And
I mean,
soup.
nothing smell.
Oh yeah. And once
No.
it hits the
Just
hot
like
broth,
look like what's
it's a whole different fusion of flavors. I kid you not. That wasn't bad.
Excuse me, Pete.
Again, every
Wow.
week.
Scott, this your
Every
this
week
your
in
intake
Belgium
on it?
every day.
Huh? Pardon
Your
me?
intake on it?
He about to try it right now.
I'm just sniffing it out.
Okay.
My dog senses on it.
Do you smell the wasabi?
I smell. I don't know what's wasabi smell.
What's my next one in the meantime?
Okay.
Them can't see your face.
I don't think we have thumbs up on that.
Q didn't mind
You
it.
like fish, it's
You
fish.
didn't mind it.
That's
Yeah.
all.
So we do
That's
have
all
it.
in fish.
Like I said, I've enjoyed it in ramen and all kind of soup, any kind of broth. It's good.
King mackerel
When
at
it's
the moment.
heated up.
Yeah.
But I wouldn't sit here and eat it like all day.
No.
snacks at?
You know, your breath don't smell like
Just like the
somebody's
stem
corpse.
the sushi. Then the rest.
Wait,
Yeah.
what's that?
Okay. So
Brown
the next
bean
one
again.
is broad bean again
Sea
with
salt.
sea salt
Ooh,
flavor.
shit.
Oh, okay, that might be doable.
Taiwan again. No, sir.
No, I should came a little later.
Anything about the smells?
Oh, the smell is not as bad. They just taste like salty crackers.
Okay.
But these are fine.
So
Yeah.
those are definitely a bar treat
I mean,
Yeah.
with the beer. With
I'll
the,
eat these with
Yeah.
cheese.
Mm-hmm.
with
Yeah.
cheese.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
get cheese.
We forgot to put the salt pack in there. Come with a pack.
That
Yeah.
won't be.
So that's a true snack.
Seasoning pack.
So you get seasoned first.
Exactly.
That was a true snack. Okay,
First of all,
got it.
The end part of it is
no, I
kind
take that
of-
back. I take that back. That end part is nasty.
Oh, so the after part, I mean, the aftertaste is.
The aftertaste is
It's
nasty.
So that's why I would get a cheese, like a sharp cheddar.
Yeah.
Because that does do away with the aftertaste.
With that aftertaste,
Yeah.
it would, sharp
Yeah.
cheese, like I
But then there's a
They
seasoning
need the
packet
seasoning on
in
it.
there as well.
That by itself just not
Yeah,
right. Need the seasoning. Try the seasoning. Drop the seasoning on it and shake the
it
bag.
just looked like black pepper and salt.
Well, it might be good. Might be a different
Yeah,
seasoning.
you gotta put that on there.
Yeah. You don't really have to. Just a little something. Take half out and put the half on. How about that?
Why do you just look like rocks? Mega Dash
Maybe I
rocks
know
when
so.
Penny sitting them?
Maybe the same
Maybe-
thing that go in the shoes. You know
Right,
what I'm
maybe
saying?
I
Right.
when I package to keep it from.
So that's true. That's right.
No, you, we're not here.
Why not?
No, you're not being a guinea pig.
But they're supposed to be they're supposed to go on the stuff, ain't it?
Well,
Let me
yeah.
see it.
What do
Well,
it say
well,
on the package?
Right. Ain't nobody read the package.
All I
It's
know
not
is-
English.
There's one thing I know. If
What
God
does it
is
say
not
this?
calling me, I'm not going.
Seasoning.
I know
That
I'm
thing,
not
this
knocking
thing
on
that
the door.
on the door.
We're not gonna test it.
Exactly.
Smell.
I'm not-
Don't eat that.
Well, I'm gonna try it. What is it?
Rockstone.
Why do you look like that? Alright, never mind. I ain't gonna try no
Okay, what else we
It ain't
got?
got no taste to it, just like some old dirt or something.
I'm not.
Ooh,
It probably is not supposed to be consumed by humans.
what it did, they don't say that. We wouldn't put it in that.
Why they put it on
Well,
the
if
food?
it's in their writing, I can't
Let me
read.
see
So
it.
how am I
Yeah.
gonna tell you?
Backside, that's why I don't
Says
put
you
back.
have
That's why you need to get that. What's
Oh,
the
it
name?
says don't eat.
It does not say that.
Yeah.
Unit pack decadence. Oh, that's a Kent. Don't eat.
It does not say that. You full of shit.
I'm
No,
so
it
serious.
does.
It says don't
It says
eat.
don't
right
eat.
there.
Lord.
It's like the little thing that
Blame-
comes.
I can't make it to work. Let me
Blame
call
her. She made you eat it. You.
Let me call her.
Yeah, you put it in your hand.
How's it in there? I ain't going to work now. I might be fucked up on the line. Ooh,
Ew, put
ooh.
this somewhere. You don't eat that.
Why has he put it in there?
To keep it fresh.
Keep it fresh, yeah.
It's like the thing that comes in the shoes.
Keep it from
Scott.
molding.
Yeah, the shoe.
That's what. When you said that, that's when I was like, no, I'm not doing
Yeah, I
that.
signed some insurance while I was asleep.
Well, just in case anything happens, how about you put me on your insurance?
I was just asking her, did I sign any insurance while I was
No,
asleep?
no.
Am I in your will? That's my question.
That's the question I'm asking her. Did I sign any insurance while I was asleep?
No, I don't know.
Okay, let's
So in
do
other
this
words, you
last
didn't have me
one.
sign nothing.
Oh,
That's what I'm asking you.
we got some. We got one
The
more.
last one.
It's
Yeah.
spicy sriracha,
Sriracha.
sriracha flavor peas.
That's chickpeas.
China
All right.
So that
chickpeas.
one
Yeah.
had the pack in it. That one got to have a pack in it.
Nah, I might like that.
You go first, Scott.
Well, I
You've
got
been,
to go first.
you've been
You've been
ducking
going-
and dodging
yeah,
going first
yeah.
this whole
No,
time.
I ate the pack that you don't supposed to eat. I ain't
That's
going
true.
first.
That's true.
It can't get no worse from there. It
Yeah.
can only go up.
I'll take two.
You grab one for more.
I know that's spicy.
I have
This is
two.
not a
One for
Okay,
me,
well,
one
you
for
go
you.
ahead and try first.
Let's see them a crunch.
GR, chew it. Let us know.
A garlic.
It's good.
Come on. See how sriracha sauce.
It's gonna be spicy. With what?
I thought sriracha was spicy.
The garlic is there though. I mean that breath is there. I can really smell that. If I breathe the wrong way, she might be like,
garlic bread.
Pronunciate words.
don't say Pocahontas. Hair might fall out. Okay.
Heck no.
Wow.
Not like
Those are fun.
Okay. I didn't like
They're
that.
not spicy.
So this one,
I wouldn't.
it's a no for me, no for mommy.
Yo, no, for me.
Yes for me.
Okay.
Yeah.
This one, the spicy sriracha, I think, yeah, this was a no for everybody.
Yeah,
No, it
I
wasn't.
think-
No, it was a yes
was
for
for me.
Scott.
Oh, was
The
it yes
broad-
for
Thumbs
Scott?
up for me.
This one,
Double up for me.
yeah.
With
It's
cheese.
Just don't eat the
That-
pack
that
because they
was-
said
that
me.
was the one that-
Okay, so for the wasabi, what says you, Q?
Me, yes, but I like it with ramen and soup.
Oh,
I
that
would-
sounds
I
good.
wouldn't eat it
Yeah,
regular.
there you go.
Snack?
There you go.
Yeah.
Yeah, that
By
sounds about
itself,
right.
absolutely
Yeah.
not.
No,
Your
no.
breath
So-
will be smelling like regret and shame. Hell no.
Regular.
Oh, you ate
Yeah.
a nasty woman.
That's a
huh?
regular snack now.
Woman, man,
No.
dog,
No,
whatever.
your mouth a good
That's
thing.
straight seafood.
Yeah.
If you eat somebody that don't
That sounds like that's a
hygiene,
mermaid's vagina
That's
that
a
you
breath.
know.
Nah,
Yeah.
dog.
like beach for like a couple weeks.
No,
okay?
here we queue over there, so now dead mermaid.
Scott.
Yeah.
What? I was supposed
At
to say
what
that.
point did you ever smell a mermaid's vagina?
That's fishy. That's all I'm just saying. She's a fish. And you get
She
it?
didn't have fish. But again, it's kind of like a dead fish.
Okay.
That baby just lingering around.
Oh,
You get asking for help and no one's
That's
answering.
a yes.
Or star kiss. It could be kiss and star kiss. How about that?
You mean
That sounds better.
You mean a star's ass? That ain't
No star kiss.
I
You
would-
know, tune in and see.
They're not. They always. Guys, these two right here, they're always arguing. Always.
We're conversing.
Right.
You know,
That's all. It's like the politician.
Yes.
That's a yes for sure.
Yes.
Yes.
for sure.
Everybody loved
Yeah,
this
that's
one.
good with
Yeah.
beer.
I love that one too.
The peanuts, not
That's
bad.
a yes for us.
It's not bad.
but-
Yeah.
It's good, but
Yeah.
not my first choice.
salty
Nah.
nuts.
Mm.
That's all.
Jesus
Oh,
Christ.
that's
Really?
Right?
Right now?
I'm just saying, you gotta say salty nuts.
That's not the same
This
thing.
is not a PG-13 video.
Oh no, I said it's not for kids. I know better.
Yeah.
And finally, we got this
Oh, Jesus.
the spicy sriracha flavored peas.
No.
You say spicy her
No.
crotcha.
Sriracha.
Her crotcha?
Oh, God,
So wait,
Katie.
the peas can be a snack, y'all? That's not a
I
snack?
thought so.
It's
Listen.
not good. I don't like it.
I will say
No.
it's not spicy.
So I don't
It's
like
not
it.
spicy. It
There's
has
a-
like
there's
a
a
lot of
taste.
garlic taste to it. It's just, it's
That's
gonna
a
leave
hot
that.
breath one.
Yeah.
But it's still
Like,
good.
seriously.
No, what it is not date night.
It's,
No,
it's
it's
good
not.
for the
No.
bloodsuckers.
No.
Yes,
No.
but good for vampires.
Yeah.
If
Blood
you eat,
suckers,
if
yeah.
you eat this, you literally gotta stay 6. Like you can social distance, cause you're gonna want to stay 6
Yeah.
feet from people.
Yeah.
It'll keep the
It
blood
is-
suckers off you.
Your
Yeah,
breath,
sure.
your breath will stink.
I like chickpeas.
It's. I think a different flavor would be nice. I didn't like this. It's too much garlic.
For
Like
vampires.
right now, I'm feeling like I'm just swinging all of Q's facial hair with my breath. No.
No.
I'm trying to keep right here. You got on your head. But I'm breathing on you. This is that breath is rough.
Okay, guys. So this is the end of the video. Let us know if you enjoyed the video. Just leave a comment below and
See ya.
Bye.
See ya.
Deuces. Toodaloo.
don't listen. Don't
Till we
listen.
meet
Stop.
again.
So I brought that mermaid's crotch. Explain that.
Okay. See ya.